Let's play a guessing game. I have a bag full of things. I will take out one thing at a time. You have to help me to guess whether that thing is long or round. Ball. A ball is round. Toothbrush. Toothbrush is long. Cucumber. A cucumber is long. Orange. An orange is round. A ruler. A ruler is correct. Long. What is next? A pomegranate. A pomegranate is round. A stick. A stick is, tell me, long. A bowl. A bowl is round. What is next? Pencil. Pencil is long. Pen. A pen is also long. What next? Bat. A bat is long. Let's take out the next thing. This is a coin, and this coin is round. So, these are few round things and these are few long things. Students, there is some homework for you. Look around in your house. Find out 5 different things which are long and 5 things which are round. Make a list in your notebook and draw their pictures. What rolls? What slides? What rolls? What slides? Students, objects with a flat surface will slide. Objects that are round will roll. Now let us take a few examples. Orange. Orange is round. So let's see whether it rolls or slides. Rolls. Orange rolls. Sharpener. A sharpener is having a flat surface. So let's see what happens. So the sharpener slides. Pen. A pen also slides. Pencil. A pencil is having a flat surface. Let's see what happens. The pencil slides. But students, pencil is also round. So let's see whether this pencil can roll or not. Let's check. The pencil also rolls. A mobile phone. A mobile phone is having flat surface. So tell me students, what will happen? Correct. The mobile phone will slide. Let's check. Mobile phone slides. Tomato. Let's see what happens with tomato. Tomato rolls. Coin. A coin is having flat surface. So this coin will slide. Let's check. The coin slides. Students, coin is also round. So this coin will also roll. So coin slides and rolls. A dish. This dish is having a flat surface. So tell me students, what will happen? Flat surface. So this dish will slide. A ball. A ball is round. So tell me students, what will happen? Correct. This ball will roll. The ball rolls. Spoon. Let's see what happens with the spoon. So the spoon slides. So students, we have seen some examples of things that roll and slides. Students, little homework for you. You have to find 5 things that roll, 5 things that slide. Do this experiment at your home. The tallest tower. Students, the objects which have flat surface can easily pile on one another. And this forms a tower. But objects that are round cannot pile on one another. Let us take a few examples. Students, let us take these boxes. The box has flat surface. So let's see whether we can make a tower from these boxes or not. Flat surface. One more box. So our tower is ready. Now let us find out whether we can make a tower using these tomatoes. Oh, let's try one more time. It falls. So, tomato is round. So, round things cannot pile on one another. Let's take these matchboxes. They are also having a flat surface. So, let's make a tower. Flat surface. So, our matchbox tower is ready. Coin. A coin is also having a flat surface. So, let's make our coin tower. Flat surface. So our coin tower is ready. Students, little homework for you. Look around in your house. Find out 5 different things that can be used to make a tower. Make at least 3 different towers. Also find 3 things that cannot be used to make a tower. Do this tower experiment at your home. How strong is a postcard? This is a postcard. I am holding it like this. Now I want to see whether this postcard can hold this marker on its top or not. Let's check this out. I am keeping this marker on the top. No, so the postcard cannot hold the marker on the top. So now let's make our postcard stronger. I am folding our postcard. Now let's stick it. I am using sellotape to stick the postcard. Now let's see whether our stronger postcard can hold the weight of this marker on this top or not. Let's keep this marker on the top. Perfect. So, our postcard is now strong enough to hold the marker. Students, there is some homework for you. You have to try the postcard experiment at your home. Coin play. Students, now I'm going to show you a very simple trick using coins. This is a coin. Hold the coin like this and spin it. Let's do it in some other way. So, the coin spins. Let's try with this coin. Wow! Wow! So our coin spins. Students, let's count the number of balloons on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total 6 balloons. Generally, counting with this method may take some long time. So now I will teach you a simple method. That method is called counting in small groups. So let's start. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So there are total 6 balloons. Now let's see this example. Let us count number of balls in small groups. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. So there are total 9 balls. Let us solve this example. Let us count number of flowers with small groups. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is how much? Count and tell me. Right, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. So there are total 12 flowers on the board. Counting in pairs. Now we are going to learn how to count objects in pairs. What is a pair? A pair is a group of 2 objects. Students, there are some ice creams on the board. These ice creams are arranged in pairs. Let us count total number of ice creams. Students, tell me, there are how many pairs in the first row? 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 ice creams in the first row. Now you tell me, students, there are how many pairs in the second row? Correct. 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 ice creams in the second row. Now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So there are total 8 ice creams on the board. Let us solve this example. There are some chocolates on the board. These chocolates are arranged in pairs. Let us count number of pairs and number of chocolates. Students, count and tell me there are how many pairs in the first row? 1 and 2. So there are 2 pairs in the first row. 2 pairs of 2 chocolates each. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 chocolates in the first row. Now let us count number of pairs in the second row. In the second row, there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 pairs in the second row. 3 pairs of 2 chocolates each. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? Students, count and tell me. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. There are total 6 chocolates in the second row. Students, now you count and tell me there are how many pairs in the third row? There are 4 pairs in the third row. So 4 pairs of 2 chocolates each. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? Let's count. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So, there are total 8 chocolates in the third row. Now, let us count total number of chocolates. That is 4 plus 6 plus 8. Tell me, students, how much is 4 plus 6? Right. 4 plus 6 is 10. And how much is 10 plus 8? Count and tell me. Correct. That is 18. So there are total 18 chocolates on the board. Let us take this example. Students, tell me, there are how many pairs in the first row? In the first row, there are 3 pairs. 3 pairs of 2 stars each. So, total there are 6 stars in the first row. There are total 4 pairs in the second row. 4 pairs of 2 stars each. So there are total 8 stars in the second row. Students, now you count and tell me there are how many pairs in the third row? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 pairs containing 2 stars each. 5 pairs of 2 stars each. Let us count total number of stars. 6 plus 8 plus 10. You help me, students. How much is 6 plus 8? Correct. 6 plus 8 is 14. And how much is 14 plus 10? 24. There are total 12 pairs containing 2 stars each. So there are total 24 stars on the board. Now let us solve this example. Students, there are some balls on the board. These balls are arranged in groups. So, look at these groups and answer my questions. Let us solve. Tell me, students, there are total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total 6 groups. Tell me, students, there are how many balls in each group? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 balls in each group. Let us count total number of balls. There are 6 groups. There are 4 balls in each group. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 6 groups, 4 balls in each group. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So there are total 24 balls on the board. Total 6 groups. 4 balls in each group. So total there are 24 balls. Count and tick the correct answer. This is an apple. It has some seeds. Seeds are more than 10 or less than 10. Let us find out. Let's count the number of seeds in this apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this apple has 5 seeds. Tell me students, 5 is more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me. Correct. 5 is less than 10. So this apple has less than 10 seeds. Now let us solve this example. Sticks. This is a bundle of sticks. Let us find out whether they are more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, there are total 12 sticks in this bundle. Tell me students, 12 is more than 10 or less than 10? Think and tell me. 12 more than 10 or less than 10? Correct. 12 is more than 10. Let us take this example. Chocolates in a box. Let's find out whether these chocolates are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are total 15 chocolates in this box. Tell me students, 15 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. Correct. 50 is less than 20. 15 is less than 20. Now let us solve this example. There are some apples on the board. These apples are arranged in pairs. Let us find out whether total number of apples is more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. There are 2 pairs in the first row. There are 2 pairs in the second row. So there are total 4 pairs consisting 2 apples in each pair. So tell me students, there are how many total apples? 4 pairs containing 2 apples each. That is equal to 8. So there are total 8 apples. Tell me students, 8 is more than 10 or less than 10? 8 more than 10? No. Correct. 8 is less than 10. So our correct answer is less than 10. So 8 is less than 10. Let's solve this example. There are stars on the board. These stars are arranged in pairs. Let's find out whether total number of stars are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. There are total 5 pairs in the first row and 6 pairs in the second row. So tell me students, what is the total number of pairs? 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. So there are total 11 pairs containing 2 stars each. Tell me students, now what is the total number of stars? 11 pairs with 2 stars each. So that is equal to 22. So we have 22 stars. Now tell me students, whether 22 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. More than 20 or less than 20? Correct. 22 is more than 20. 22 is more than 20. Ascending and descending order. Join the dots in their ascending order. Start from the smaller number and go towards the bigger number. Students, now let us join these dots to get the tail. Remember, we have to join the dots in their ascending order. Let us start. We have to start from the smallest number. Let's find out the smallest number. Smallest number. Is that number 44 or number 51? 41, 49, 40. So 40 is the smallest number. So let's start from 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. Wow! So our picture is complete. Join the dots to get the picture. Students, let us join these dots and let's see what picture we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow! Our picture is ready. This is a tree. Arrange in ascending order. Let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest number will come first. So, let's find out the smallest number. Tell me, students, which is the smallest number? 69? No. Then 61. 61 is the smallest number. Tell me, students, which number will come after 61? Number 64. After 64, from these numbers, 85? No. 69. After 69, number 70. Now you tell me, students, which number will come after number 17 from these numbers? Tell me. Correct. 85. Which number will come after number 85? Let's find out. Number 97. So, we have arranged these numbers in their ascending order. 61, 64, 69, 70, 85 and 97. Arrange in descending order. Now let us arrange these numbers in their descending order. Descending order means the biggest number will come first and then the series will continue. Tell me, students, which is the biggest number from these numbers? 93. Number 93 is the biggest number from these numbers. So let us write 93. Tell me, students, which number will come after 93 from these numbers? 35? No. Then 64. Which number will come after number 64? Number 35. Tell me students, which number will come after number 35 from these numbers? Look at the board and tell me. Number 29. What is after 29? Number 16. After 16, number 7. So, we have arranged these numbers in their descending order. 93, 64, 35, 29, 16 and 7. Complete the group of 10. There are some balls on the board. We have to complete the group of 10. So let's count number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 balls on the board and we have to complete group of 10. So tell me students, how many balls are missing? We have 5 balls. We have to complete group of 10. So there are 5 balls missing. So I have to draw 5 more balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, the group of 10 is complete. There are some trees on the board. We have to complete the group of 10. So, let's count number of trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 7 trees on the board and we have to complete group of 10. So tell me students, how many more trees are required? We have 7. We need 10. So 3 more trees are required. So let's draw 3 more trees. 1, 2 and 3. So our group of 10 is complete.